Hello everyone, welcome to Success Education. Today we'll be seeing the workbook solution for environmental studies, that is EVS, for chapter number 1, that is let's go to school every day, right? So before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe it for more videos. Okay, so we'll see the MCQs, that is choose the correct alternative, right? For that, first one is, when school is at a distance from home, what do small children usually use to reach their school? It's option number B, an auto rickshaw. Second, what is constructed on a river so that it can be crossed easily? It's option number C, a bridge. Third, which vehicle do people use to go from one bank of a river to the other? It's option number A boat. Fourth, what is used in a desert to go to school? It's option number B, a camel cart. Fifth, which vehicle do villagers usually use to carry farm produce to the market? It's option number C, a bullock cart. Sixth, which vehicle has been given by the government to girls for going to school? It's option number D, a bicycle. Seventh, sounds of what can be heard while passing through a jungle. It's option number D, sounds of birds and animals. Eighth, which vehicle does a crippled person use to move about? It's option number C, a wheelchair. Now we'll see fill in the blanks. First one, a bridge is built on a river to construct a road over it. The answer is bridge. Second, the use of a camel cart is seen more in desert areas. The answer is desert. Third one, children staying in mountainous areas have to cross rocky roads to reach their schools. The answer is mountainous. Fourth, which school is at a distance? The two-wheeled vehicle, that is bicycle, is very useful. When school is at a distance, the two-wheeled vehicle, that is bicycle, is very useful. Fifth, a camel cart has 4 wheels while a bullock cart has 2 wheels, right? Sixth one, a deaf-dumb person communicates with the gestures of his or her eyes and fingers of the hand. Eyes and fingers of the hand. Seventh, children crossing a forest may get to hear sounds of animals and birds. The answer is forest. Now we'll see true or false, means right or wrong, right? First one is, people living in a desert use horse carts. It is false. Second, special schools are there for the blind to study in. It is true. Third, one can only go walking to school. It is false. Fourth, a camel is used to travel in a desert. It is true. Fifth, pillars are built on rivers in order to cross them. It is false. Sixth, deaf-dumb people cannot see. It is false. Seventh, steamers are very useful to travel quickly over the sea. It is true. Now we'll see match the following. First one is boat. It's option number D, for commuting in an area flooded with water. Second one, bridge. It's option number E, for vehicles to cross over rivers. Third one, ropeway, that is trolley. It's option number B, to cross a valley between two mountains. Fourth one, steamer. It's option number A, for transporting goods via sea routes. Now we'll see answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. First one, how do you go to school? We go to school in an auto rickshaw. Second, who uses the bridge? The bridges in my city are more used for the coming and going of vehicles. Many people walk across the bridges. Two big and heavy vehicles use the bridges early in the morning or late at night? Third one, what are the materials used to construct the bridge? Make a list of them. Large slabs of RCC, cement, bricks, iron, iron pipes, and wood have been used to construct these bridges. Fourth, what do children use while going to school during the rainy season? Children use umbrellas or raincoats while going to school during the rainy season. Fifth, can you ride a bicycle? If yes, who taught you to ride? Yes, I can ride a bicycle. My uncle taught me how to ride a bicycle. Sixth, how many children come on bicycles to your school? Almost 65 children studying in classes 5 to 8 of my school ride bicycle to school. Seventh, does your school have transport facility? If yes, then in which vehicle do you go to school? Yes, our school has transport facility of school buses, but this large vehicle cannot come up to the area I live in. So children of my area and I go to school in our auto rickshaws
Approved
and
by school
the
authorities.
bicycles. Eighth one, which birds and animals can you recognize by their sounds? Cows, buffaloes, goats, ants, sorry, cats, dogs, crows, pigeons, peacocks, parrots, sparrows, cuckoos, cocks, etc. we can recognize by their sounds. Ninth one, why do children living in Bet Dwarka use boats to go to their school? Since the areas of Bet Dwarka are surrounded by water, the children living there use boats to go to their school. 10th one, how do children living far away from the village or having to cross a field reach school? Children living far away from the village or having to cross a field to reach school in bullock carts. 11th, how are blind people able to recognize others? Blind people are able to recognize others with the help of their voices or by feeling or touching them. 12th one, which types of disabilities are seen in differently abled people? Differently abled people may have deformities of the hand or leg, amputated hands or feet, polio or deformity of any other organ. 13th, how does a deaf dumb person convey what he or she wants to say? A deaf dumb person conveys what he or she wants to say with gestures of the hands and fingers, with his or her eyes, or with movement of his or her lips. Now we'll see answer the following questions. These are the long questions. First one, imagine what difficulties would be there if the bridge was not there. Had the bridge not been there, everyone would have faced great difficulties in crossing the river. They would have had to cross the river in a boat, which would have taken a lot of time during the rainy season, and if the river is flooded, it cannot be crossed. Therefore, commuting would become very difficult. Second, is there a bridge near your village or city? Get more information about the bridge. Yes, I live in Ahmedabad city. The river Sabarmati flows through my city. There are 5 bridges over the river to go from the east side of the city to the west and from the west side to the east. These are known as Subhash Bridge, Gandhi Bridge, Nehru Bridge, Ellis Bridge, and Sardar Patel Bridge, respectively. Third question: have you ever traveled in a boat? How was your experience? Yes, when we had gone on a school picnic to Kabirwad, we had to travel in a boat to reach the Kabirwad. We all experienced a lot of excitement for the first experience of sitting in a boat. Our boat had crossed river Narmada to reach Kabirwad. When we were in the middle of the river, our boat was rocking this way and that to the force and movement of river water. At that time, we had a little afraid. We were all little afraid. Overall, we had a lot of fun and enjoyed ourselves fully. Fourth one: what care should you take while passing through a jungle? Many animals live in a jungle, that is forest. These animals can attack us, so we must be very careful and one should never eat any strange fruit without any identification in a jungle. One should also be careful about poisonous creatures like snakes, scorpions, etc. while crossing a jungle. Thus, one should always take care and stay alert at the time while crossing a jungle. Fifth one: which difficulties do children living in mountainous areas face while going to school? Roads in mountainous areas are uneven and rocky. While walking on such roads, children have to be very careful. Sometimes children hurt their feet. Sometimes a child falls down. Reaching school takes a long time. These are the difficulties which children living in mountainous areas face while going to school. Sixth one: in which areas is the facility of a ropeway seen? Which areas of Gujarat have the facility of a ropeway? Ropeways are built in high mountainous areas where it is not possible to have roads or railways. Also, walking on such paths is very difficult and time consuming. In Gujarat, ropeways are seen at Ambaji, Pavagad, and Saputara. In areas like Kashmir and Ladakh, where there are deep rivers or valleys, children use ropeways to go to school. Seventh one: how are people who cannot see able to read? People who cannot see are able to read with the help of the Braille script. Since this script is made up of raised dots on thick paper, it is possible for them to feel the dots and read what is written. Eighth one: how can we help a blind person? We can help the blind person to help to cross the road, giving them a seat in the bus, reading out the news to them, help them to climb a staircase or get onto a bus, guide them correctly during a journey. Now you can see the activities for that. First activity is draw a picture of a bridge in the box given below. Do not forget to draw the train, vehicles, animals or people who cross the bridge. So you can see the picture, the same kind of picture you need to draw, or you can also draw a different picture. Okay. Second is draw or stick pictures of a camel cart and a bullock cart in the squares given below. I think that you need to stick the pictures because drawing will be little bit hard. Okay. Now we'll see the HOTS questions, that is the MCQs again. Choose the correct options, right? First one is, which animal is known as the ship of the desert? It's option number C, camel. Second, which two-wheeled vehicle moves with the help of your strength? It's option number B, a bicycle. Third, which script is used for the people who cannot see? It's option number D, braille script. And fourth, in which region is there very heavy rainfall? It's option number A, Assam. So here we come to the end of chapter number 1, that is let's go to school every day. I hope you have understood the complete chapter. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section. I'll surely try to answer all the questions. Thank you for watching my video and do subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.